Hello, third grade. Mrs. Martich here with your tutorial for the WES Home Learning Plan. Your home learning plan is 2 pages long. On the left-hand side, you have the subjects for all classes. Let's take a look at Monday and see how each link works and how when we go on that link, how we get to the correct page. Starting Monday in reading, we are starting a new journey story. We preview the topic by going to page 167. Click the blue link and it opens up your Journeys book. At the top, you will type in the page number 167 and press enter. This is where you will preview the topic. At the bottom of the paragraph are a few questions. If you look on your plan, it says to make predictions to each question. You can either do this in your head, tell your family member, or write it down on a piece of paper. Then you may read a book of choice. Because on Friday, you were able to take an AR test on that book of choice. For vocabulary with our journey story, you will need to go to page 164 and 165 and read the vocabulary words in the sentence. When you click the link, it takes you back to your journey story. Go to the top to type in the page number. Here are your vocab words for the story this week, Life on the Ice. Next, for writing and grammar, you are doing a worksheet in the Reader's Notebook page. For writing, we have that on Monday and Tuesday. Grammar is Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You will need to go to page 61 in your Reader's Notebook. Any of the worksheets that are assigned during this time do not need to be printed out on a computer. You are able to just use a notebook that you have around the house and a pencil to answer any questions from any of the worksheets. Next, you guys can go to typing.com to practice your typing skills. When you get onto the site, you can choose to follow or click any of these lessons to begin. Next, you have your phonics, which this week we're learning compound words. You're going to go to page 57 after you click the link. Using your notebook and your pencil, you can write down the answers for each of these. On the second page, we have math. First, go ahead on to Reflex Math to get your green light. If you're unsure of your login, please contact your teacher on Class Dojo or through their email. Next, you're going to page 441 for Chapter 8. At the top, type in the page number, and you will do questions 1 through 7 on a separate sheet of paper. Next, you will practice your vocabulary words for Chapter 8 on page 442. And you will write the answers to number 1 through 4 on a separate sheet of paper. For science, social studies, and health, you will have 2 days of science, 1 day of health, and 2 days of social studies, or we'll have a STEM activity on Friday. For science on Monday, Mystery Doug uploads a new video every week. The email address and the password are listed for you to access all the videos. Once you click it, you can log in, and there are all different videos that you can choose from to watch. The newest ones are listed at the top. Our specials are PE on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, art on Tuesday, and music on Thursday. We have Go Noodle for PE, Art for Kids Hub, which is a YouTube page where you can select any number of pictures to draw, and they'll take you step by step on how to draw it, and then a music website for kids. For enrichment, you can go on to Prodigy, Edmentum, or Duolingo to learn a new language. All websites have free logins for parents if you'd like to create your own account, or things like Prodigy and Edmentum and Reflex, your teacher has an account for and will give you the password and username if you forget it. Your home learning plans can be found on your class dojo page. They could also be found on the Weirton Elementary School Facebook page and the Weirton Elementary School website.